Today we're celebrating the grand opening of a new Cosentino City in Chicago. Join us for an inside look at the space and a memorable night with Southstone brand ambassador Cindy Crawford and chef Carlos Guytan. Leaders from Chicago's architecture and design community celebrated the opening of a new Cosentino City in the heart of Chicago's design district. This space becomes the first reinvented showroom experience in North America.
Not only represents the expansion for the entire corporation, but specifically for the Midwest region. In a fantastic metropolitan city like Chicago, we have now an absolutely fantastic tool for our trade partners to use, the architects, designers, developers. This one's special to me as I was born and raised here in Chicago.
The event included an intimate conversation with supermodel and Southstone brand ambassador Cindy Crawford, led by Elle Cashin, editor of Modern Luxury. A conversation about her hometown of Chicago, the intersection of the worlds of fashion, design and culinary, and much more.
But I love working with companies that are so forward-thinking and environmentally aware and, change makers, right? It's exciting. So I'm very excited to be here for the Ethereal collection, which is, not only a beautiful product, but also respects the environment, and has all these sustainability focuses. I love being aligned with a company that cares about our planet, we all have to. And also just a really nice family.
Chicago-based Michelin-starred chef Carlos Guytan of Suco, one of Chicago's hottest restaurants, delighted the fashion icon and attendees with a lively cooking demonstration.
This is the most amazing and beautiful city in the country, and then I love Chicago because it's such a small city that you got everything together. Super excited to be here and sharing, a little bit of my cooking, the things that I do.
We had from the beginning clear that we have to have a city center in this wonderful city, and then it's a reality. We are very happy to be here. Here in this new model, we can have more digital experience where you can play with your project and see a virtual reality project how can look with our products.
Guests explored the revamped high-tech Cosentino City Center, included augmented reality digital experience where visitors can fully design a kitchen or bath space, as well as the to-scale full slab digital displays and the atelier or design workshop.
It's magical. We have fabric, wallpaper, stone, leather, wood. It's an amazing space. We're so happy to present our beautiful showroom.